Hello and welcome to 201 Wynn Unit B. This is a 2-bedroom, 1-bath home. Also, you have your covered front porch and also a walkway that leads to the side entrance of the living room. And also you have your backyard with a utility closet as well. Let's go take a look. Alright, we are now on the side of the home. Here's the door that I mentioned earlier that leads into the living room. Keep going forward, you have your backyard right here and also the utility closet right here. Alright, let's go take a look inside the home. Alright, we are now inside the home. As soon as you come in through the front door, you have your living room right here. It is carpeted. You do have your ceiling fan, and this is the side door that I mentioned earlier. Also, you have 2 windows right here that look out into the side of the home, and also this window that looks out into the front yard of the neighborhood. Your thermostat is located right here on the wall inside the living room. Coming out of the living room into the formal dining area, you have your chandelier right here. Also a window that looks out into the front yard. Pretty good sized living room. Dining room. And here you have your kitchen. You have your wood cabinets right here. Then you have your refrigerator, stove, and also dishwasher right here. Making our way back through the living room, we're going to go straight forward to bedroom number 1. It is carpeted in here as well. Right here you have your ceiling fan and also a window that looks out to the side of the yard. Pretty decent sized bedroom. And right here to the left you have your closet. Coming out of bedroom number 1, you have your linen closet right here. And beside the linen closet you have bedroom number 2. Same style as bedroom number 1. You have your window right here that looks onto the backyard. Also your ceiling fan right here. And closet right here. Also, you do have an alarm system right here on the wall, and the laundry room is located right here off the hallway as well. Right next to the laundry room, you have your bathroom. You have your single vanity and also pretty good sized mirror. And then you have your toilet right here and your tub and shower combo right here as well. Alright, that concludes our video tour of this home. Address is 201 Wynn Unit B. For more information, you can go to our website, which is turnerproperties.com. If you have any questions, give us a call at the office. Number is 803-407-8522. Bye-bye.